Hello everyone, thanks Jeff for the introduction and thank you all for sticking with us until the end of this conference. My name's Chloe and I'm head of digital marketing here at Intuiface, and today I'm very happy to present you with a project that we've been working on for months here. Before I get into that, let me start with a little introduction. If you're an old-time user of Intuiface, remember the days when you just started, where you just launched Intuiface Composer for the first time? Yep, for some of you that was quite a long time ago for sure. But just remember, you launched this composer and like any other new tool you're trying out, you thought, wait, what should I do now? How am I supposed to learn how to use it? Perhaps you downloaded a sample and started from there. Perhaps you started from scratch. And either you already knew what you wanted to build and went straight into business, or you faced what we call the blank page syndrome. In all cases, you managed to get up and running and are still around with us, so good on you. Thank you for that. Maybe you're a new user and you're still in the learning phase. Perhaps you haven't even started Intuiface yet. If this is the case, then listen closely because what is coming will definitely be of great use for you. Whether you're a new user or have been around for years, you know that Intuiface is a constantly evolving tool. The industry makes it constantly evolve. There are always things you need to know, things you need to learn, some new technology maybe you want to connect to. Perhaps you even got to the point, if you're a superpower user, well, you even need to learn how to create your own interface asset now. How do you learn all this? Well, we're very happy to introduce Intuiface Academy. Before I continue talking, let's watch a short presentation video. So there you have it. Intuiface Academy is an extensive video library of lessons covering everything from experience creation and remote deployment to sensor integration and data analytics. Intuiface Academy is an e-learning platform that's comprised of different courses or themes that each contain some short educational videos that we reference to as lessons. Our goal was to create a place where an Intuiface user could go and learn from the very basics of Intuiface to more advanced notions, where we could deliver short video lessons by theme, and that users could easily access. So how does it work concretely? Let's go to the Academy website, so that's academy.intuiface.com. This is the Academy homepage. Here you can watch the little video I just showed you. Below that, here we have all the courses currently available. Currently there are 7. For beginners, we have Introduction to Intuiface, Intuiface Composer 101, which is really everything you need to know about Composer. We also have a course about building your first experience, which is a sort of tutorial that will help you build an experience really from A to Z. Next, we have a full course on deploying, playing, and managing experiences. So really a part about using Management Console, how to deploy your experience into Player, this kind of thing. We have a very dedicated course to Intuiface Analytics, presenting everything you need to know for that. A course called Connecting to the World, where we present things like how to work with API Explorer, how to create your own interface asset, or how to work with Nextmosphere, for example. So this is a really interesting course for more advanced users. You have some pretty deep notions in there. Finally, a guideline and best practices course. So this is a really interesting course. We've been having lots of questions about how do I make my experience more optimized, how do I make it faster, that kind of thing. this is really a course where you'll be looking into optimizing your media, how to make sure it's really fully optimized for the device you'll be running it on. If you're interested in one of these courses, you just click on it. You'll see a page presenting each course, giving the detail on the different things you can learn in each course, the different lesson steps. Let's look at another one. Let's take Intuiface Composer 101. Then you can enroll in a course. Here you'll be asked to log into your Intuiface account if you're not logged in already. You don't need to create a new account, just use your Intuiface account. It works. And there, if you log in, you're enrolled in a course. Now you have access to this sort of course player where you'll be able to go through lessons in your course step by step. Here I'm launching a video lesson in Composer 101 course. On your left you have all the lessons of the course available, and on the right you have the content, most of the time the video itself. So you can go through the different lessons, watch your videos. Once I'm done with a lesson, I just click on the complete and continue button and I move on to the next step. I can acknowledge my progress in this course here with the loading indicator. If I leave the website and come back, I don't have to start from scratch every time. I just come back to where I was in the course and just continue my progress from there. Some courses have a final quiz you can take to test your knowledge. Let me show you another course, one that is more aimed at advanced users. Let's go to Connecting to the World. You see in the course lessons there's a topic about Excel. We have another one about API Explorer that's called Connecting to Cloud Services with Web APIs. We have a lesson about creating your own custom interface asset, here with 2 videos in it, one for .NET and one for JavaScript. A lesson about web triggers and one about working with Nextmosphere. So this is a pretty interesting course for deep users. So you see here, even if you are a pretty knowledgeable Intuiface user, you'll learn things. Believe me, there are things you can learn in Intuiface Academy. Don't think you know everything. So there. Currently we have around 40 produced video lessons, but more are coming up. As new releases are being launched, a little wink to the product team here, we'll continue feeding the Intuiface Academy content lane and continue adding content. So make sure you come check regularly what's going on. That's it for me. Thanks to you all for your attention, and as a reminder, you can go see everything at academy.intuiface.com. Thank you.